3 seconds, friends. What if I told you our automated bot can generate a profit in that time? In the new update, the automated bot not only trades at lightning speed, but also generates profit with every trade. We'd like to introduce our automated bot version 2.0 with new internals and even more functionality. It's time to put everything into practice and check how accurate our Autobot is with the new update. The bot now has new expiration times, allowing you to trade on the fastest candles. The bot is fully configured and has already started working. Let's see how much it can earn in 10 trades and how many profitable trades it will have on such high-speed candles. Wow! We've never seen anything so fast and accurate. The results are truly astounding. We'd like to remind you that you can get our automated bot absolutely free by following the link in the description. Start trading fully automatically. The bot is delivering incredible results. Less than a minute has passed since the start of trading, and our balance has tripled. It's truly amazing. Just try our Autobot and you will understand that auto trading is the best solution for trading. Oh my! I don't even have the words to describe how powerful this update is. Friends, be sure to share your thoughts in the comments about the new update and what other videos you'd like to see with our Autobot.